Peace. Sorry. This is our home. Let's go take a tour. Here, there's our trees. Living room. It's our living room. Living room. My bucket. My baggy backpack. I'm sorry for that one. I'm still gonna go to rooms. My mom's room. Sorry it's messy. My room is very messy now. I'm never gonna show you my room. My auntie's room. Oh, there's my auntie Ju. Say hi, Auntie Ju. Say goodbye. Bye. CR. But we have another chair in the room. Kitchen. That's my book. The lunch and water. Refrigerator. Diner. Say bye to the kitchen. Bye, kitchen. Let's not go out there. It's really freaky. Just do tomorrow. Our house is really big. Really, really big, but only medium. Not really big because I don't want really big houses just because I'm scared of them. Scared of big houses. So this is our home. Oh, that's our main. Oh, there. Mama Mary. Mama Mary. Mama. Mama Mary. Mama Mary. And his friends. I love her all from heaven. And also the two of you. I love you. Bye-bye, Mama Mary. Seriously, this is my rosary when I was in grade 4. Mr. Basha told us to make one, so I made one. I give it to Mama Mary.